Hello everyone, I'm Midji Epides. Today, I want to briefly touch about the encrypted nervous system. Think of it as your body is a communication network. It how experience the world from the gentle touch of breeze to the excitement of the roller. The network is built from billions of specialized cells called neurons. They are tiny messengers transmit information along electrical and chemical signals traveling at incredible speeds. The nervous system has the two main parts. The central nervous system consists of the brain and spinal cord, the control center, and the peripheral nervous system, which connects the central nervous system to the rest your body like a vast network of roads. Through this complex system, we can think, feel, move, and react. It constantly working while we sleep, keeping our bodies pursuing. It is truly a remarkable system, and we're only beginning to fully understanding it. Please, thank you.